Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a tech lover like us, you're in for a treat today. We've dug through the latest, coolest, and most mind-blowing gadgets that you just have to see to believe. From futuristic devices to innovative tools, these are the top 9 coolest gadgets that are incredibly worth seeing. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and you can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's jump right in. 9. Smart RGB Sound Control Lights. Smart RGB sound control lights are a dynamic and interactive lighting solution designed to enhance any space with vibrant colors that react to sound. These lights use advanced sound sensors to sync with music, podcasts, or any audio source, creating a visually stunning light show that moves in harmony with the rhythm and beats. Perfect for parties, gaming setups, or relaxing ambience, these lights offer a unique way to bring your audio experience to life. The lights typically feature RGB, red, green, blue, color technology, allowing you to choose from millions of color combinations to suit your mood or environment. With sound control, the lights change colors and patterns in real time, adding an exciting, immersive element to music or sound effects. Many models come with customizable settings through an app or remote, letting you adjust brightness, color schemes, and sensitivity to sound, so you can personalize the display to fit any occasion. 8. Galaxy Star Projector. The Galaxy Star Projector is an innovative device designed to transform any room into a mesmerizing celestial experience. By projecting a stunning display of stars, galaxies, and nebulae onto the walls and ceiling, this projector creates an immersive environment that mimics the night sky. Ideal for relaxation, stargazing, or setting a soothing ambience, the Galaxy Star Projector is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even as a calming addition to a children's room. Featuring customizable settings, the projector often allows users to adjust the colors, brightness, and movement of the projections to suit their preferences. Some models even come with music sync capabilities, where the lights move in time with the rhythm of the music, adding an extra layer of ambience. Many Galaxy Star projectors also include built-in speakers or the option to connect external audio devices, making it great for playing calming sounds or your favorite tunes. The projector is easy to set up and can be controlled with buttons or a remote, making it convenient for users to adjust the settings from the comfort of their bed or couch. 7. 8-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. The 8-in-1 wireless charging station is a versatile and efficient charging solution designed to streamline the process of powering multiple devices simultaneously. This sleek and compact charging station supports wireless charging for a variety of gadgets, including smartphones, smartwatches, wireless earbuds, and other Qi-enabled devices. With multiple charging pads and dedicated slots, it allows you to charge up to 8 devices at once, reducing the clutter of cables and optimizing your workspace. The 8-in-1 station typically features fast charging capabilities for compatible devices, ensuring that your gadgets are powered up quickly and efficiently. It is equipped with intelligent safety features like overcharge protection, temperature control, and short-circuit prevention, ensuring that your devices are charged safely and without the risk of damage. The station's design often includes anti-slip mats to keep your devices secure while charging, as well as a sleek, modern aesthetic that fits well in any home or office environment. 6. Mez Retro Mini TV Game Console. The Mez Retro Mini TV Game Console is a compact, nostalgic gaming device that brings back the classic video game experience of the 80s and 90s. Preloaded with a variety of popular retro games, this mini console allows players to relive the golden era of gaming, offering hours of entertainment with iconic titles from genres like platformers, puzzle games, and action-adventures. The console connects easily to your TV, and its simple plug-and-play setup makes it accessible for gamers of all ages. Designed for convenience and portability, the Mez Retro Mini TV Game Console is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to deliver an authentic retro gaming experience. It typically comes with 2 controllers, allowing you to enjoy multiplayer games with friends or family. The console's retro aesthetic, with its classic buttons and nostalgic design, is a treat for longtime gaming enthusiasts and newcomers alike. With its built-in library of games, the Mez Retro Mini TV Game Console. 5. Aethereal Flame Aroma Diffuser. The Airtherial Flame Aroma Diffuser is a unique and stylish device designed to enhance your home or office environment by combining aromatherapy with a visually captivating flame effect. This diffuser uses ultrasonic technology to disperse essential oils into the air, creating a relaxing and soothing atmosphere. The warm, flickering LED light mimics the appearance of a real flame, adding a calming, ambient glow to any room while promoting relaxation, focus, or sleep. With a user-friendly design, the Airtherial Flame Aroma Diffuser is easy to use, featuring adjustable mist modes and a variety of settings to customize your aromatherapy experience. It can run for several hours, allowing you to enjoy a continuous release of your favorite scents throughout the day or night. The diffuser is also equipped with an auto shut-off feature, ensuring safety and peace of mind when the water reservoir is empty. 4. CAFRI RGB Headphone Stand. The CAFRI RGB headphone stand is a sleek and functional accessory designed to enhance both the organization and aesthetics of any gaming or work setup. This stand not only provides a dedicated space to store your headphones safely, but also features vibrant RGB lighting that adds a dynamic and colorful flair to your desk. With customizable lighting effects and multiple color options, the CAFRI RGB headphone stand allows you to match the mood or theme of your setup, making it a perfect addition for gamers, streamers, or anyone who loves adding a touch of personality to their workspace. Built with durability in mind, the stand is crafted from sturdy materials that can support a wide range of headphone sizes. The non-slit base ensures stability, preventing the stand from tipping over. Additionally, the stand often includes USB ports for convenient charging of other devices, adding to its practicality. The CAFRI RGB headphone stand is designed to keep your headphones easily accessible while keeping your desk neat and organized. 3. Sneaker PC Case. The Sneaker PC Case is a unique and stylish computer case designed to resemble a high-performance sneaker, combining the worlds of gaming and fashion. With its striking design, the case stands out as a conversation piece for tech enthusiasts and sneakerheads alike. The exterior mimics the shape and detail of a popular sneaker, with intricate patterns and vibrant colors, creating a fresh and trendy look that adds personality to any gaming setup. Beyond its eye-catching design, the Sneaker PC Case is built for functionality. It provides ample space for high-performance components, including graphics cards, cooling systems, and other essential hardware, ensuring that your PC runs smoothly while showcasing your style. The case is designed for optimal airflow and cooling, with ventilation areas that support efficient heat dissipation, helping to keep your system cool during intense gaming or work sessions. With its combination of fashion and functionality. 2. Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. The Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle is a revolutionary hydration solution that combines cutting-edge technology with eco-friendly design. Equipped with a UVC light cap, this innovative bottle uses UV light to purify both the water inside and the bottle itself, ensuring that your drink is free from harmful bacteria and viruses. The self-cleaning feature activates every 2 hours, maintaining a fresh and clean water supply without the need for regular manual washing. 1. Neo SmartPen N1 Plus. The Neo SmartPen N1 Plus is a versatile and sleek digital pen designed for those who want to seamlessly blend traditional writing with modern technology. Compact and lightweight, the N1 Plus captures handwritten notes in real time and transfers them directly to digital devices, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who prefers to write by hand but needs the convenience of digital storage. The pen uses Encode technology, which works in conjunction with special Neo paper to capture every stroke with precision. Once your notes are written, the N1 Plus syncs with the Neo Notes app, allowing you to organize, edit, and share your handwritten content across various devices. This digital pen also offers cloud integration, making it easy to store and access notes from anywhere. And there you have it, top 9 coolest gadgets that are incredibly worth seeing. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. And as always, if you liked this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. See you in the next one.